cat, guys. She's now cleaning herself with her own saliva by licking up her paws, her arms. Yeah, that's how cat actually take a bath on themselves. Yeah, they're bathing with their own saliva by licking it. I think most of the cats, even the lions, I think all of the cat family clean bath in this way. But I just want to let you know that this cat is actually, oh yeah, she's pregnant because as I try to touch her belly part, she reacts. So I don't know. Let me know, guys, in the comment how many months left for this cat before she can give birth already, because it's getting bigger. So that's it, guys. Hope you'll subscribe to my channel for more cat videos and even feeding dogs. Bye.